Hi everyone, my name's Chris and I run Alpha Grafikon. All we're going to do today is run through a website that I've just built for a nutrition supplements company and the online store. It was a full social branding package, so we'll have a look at what I've done from there. And we're going to have a look at the Alpha Site Editor tool very quickly, and hopefully you can see what it is that Alpha Grafikon can actually offer you. That's enough for the intro then. Let's spin around and have a look at the website. Right, so thanks for joining me, everyone, for this website showcase. A little bit of background on this client. Now, he'd come from been working for companies about 10 years, cold calling, so wasn't really up on the digital game. What we offered was a full branding package and an e-commerce website. Now, with the full branding package, what does that mean? You get all of our knowledge on social media, how to set them up and how to do your posts, and you get branding for each of those social medias as well. What do we mean by branding? Let's come into this showcase folder here. This customer. So we start with the logo. It's generally the hardest place, but the best place to start because that dictates where the rest of the branding is going to go. It's a very nice, sophisticated logo. Almost looks royal. Then we offer some animated posts as well. We do tend to say that your animated posts and your videos are better than written sales posts or pictures because that's the way digital marketing is going. We started with a launch of the business. So we just did a very simple launch. It's almost a GIF, and that does play in a loop on social media. Yeah, from the launch, we come over. We did a couple of other videos. We set the customer up. So that's the sort of intro that we're setting up for the customer. And we decided on this in particular one, because he's dancing, to just basically turn him into a one-man show. Hey, go on, lad. Smashing it. And then we're coming in. And with this one, we did just have a little bit of fun with it and just go with whatever way we wanted.
Good afternoon, everybody. Gareth Alexander, a nutrition.
So yeah, just trying to catch attention in any way that we can. And this was for 35% off that he had, and we told him to spread that far and wide. So yeah, that's the sort of branding that we're talking about. Now, that doesn't stop there. We offer the social media information, and we also offer to brand any social media that any customer or client that we take on does. So we're coming in here to the Facebook page. You can see the logo that we have created, and on Facebook we can offer an animated banner. So at the top there, just to catch the eye, you've got the information about the customer and the business that they're running. Coming through to Twitter, the more external links you have going into a website, the higher it will rank organically. So we've got Twitter as well with a nice Facebook banner on the back of there. LinkedIn did advise that this is the business place to be at the moment. So we come in here, we offered a banner, and you can see the owner there. He's been cracking on with his social posting. Right, back to the website. So the website's here, it's done. When the website's finished with Alpha Grafikon, you are given access to the Alpha Site Editor tool. What this does is, once we're finished, we will have a one-to-one training session on the Alpha Site Editor tool, give you all the tools that we can to set you up for success and be able to stay on top of the website yourself. This is what your portal will look like. So we'll just log into this client here now. Let's log in. Okay, so we're logging into the editor tool. Right, when we're logging in, this is all you'll see, unless you've got a few websites with us. You've got your edit, your preview, and your stats. You will get weekly stat emails to say how your website is doing. We're going to jump in edit for now, so you can have a look at the Alpha Site Editor tool properly. This is the Alpha Site Editor. You will be given access to this to stay on top of your website. By stay on top of your website, I mean if you do want to make any small changes to any text going forward, if your address does change, then we will teach you how to use this tool and really get the most out of it. But we are just at the end of the phone if you do have any further questions going forward. Coming across to the left-hand side, this is your control panel that you'll have access to. You've got your widgets here. Now with these are, it's drag and drop. If you're not up on code or writing code, you just pick what you want and you can drag and drop it anywhere onto the website. You get your images, your icons, image sliders, that sort of thing with your click to call. Scrolling a bit further down, And we've got these are your business widgets, so you can get people to book online appointments with you, share your multiple locations. You can even have a menu, a live menu, where you can update your restaurant's price, what's on the menu for the restaurant, and then that'll update on the website then, so people know if you are out of sea bass, or if you have in fact got the sea bass. Coming down to the social, we've got your Twitter feeds, your Facebook likes, all the usual good stuff. We have got a WhatsApp widget so people can message you straight from your website. As you can see, AA Nutrition have one here, and then this little gem here, that's a Zoom meeting. I will show you, there is one installed on this website. So this, if you do take part in Zoom meetings, like a lot of people are, we can set you up a widget, and all you have to do is drop people a link to your website, and then you get the hit as well as Zoom. So what we're going to run through this website now. Starting with the home page, you can see we've got all the social media icons at the top. We've got a WhatsApp widget and a click to call with the email, so you can pretty much be contacted every single way if you own this website. You will see Alpha Grafikon websites have a video at the top. Pretty much every single website will have a video at the top. The reason for this, if a user comes to your site and they see a video, they click on it and they watch it. They may stay on your site for 30 seconds to a minute longer than they would have if that video wasn't there. Google sees this as you having relevant content, and then it will move you up the search engines organically. So it is always worth doing. This client, we are filming a green screen intro, so it is going to be him at the top of the website talking about his own business, because as well as the video at the top, it's going to be him at the top of his website. And if you do have a picture or a video of yourself on your website, the website becomes more personable and people are more likely to take action on that website. Scrolling a bit further down, then we've got a picture of him here as well, as I was just saying, and then we've got a little bit about what he offers in the About Us section. You will see little buttons all spread throughout the site. These are our calls to action. We're trying to direct everyone through the store, so you can go to the store there, straight to the store there. So we're always calling people to what we want them to do on the website. Featured products, this is a good seller, so I thought we'd make this one stand out. Again, we've got the calls to action underneath. It does offer a preferred clients scheme within the business, so I've made a massive point of this and put an option here to get the discount, which will take us away to a different page. On most of the websites, what I like to do, if we have done a full branding package or you do have a social media presence that you're working on, I will add a social hub onto the website. It's a great way of having fresh content constantly without having to log into your website, because you just keep it up on your social media as you would do normally. So yeah, we've got a social hub and access to all the social medias again there. And then at the bottom, all we've got is a footer. With this site, what we'll do before we jump into the store, we'll look at the Become a Consultant page. This is where you can sign up to either work with him and his business, or you can become a preferred client. As I was saying, with the Zoom widget here, he's got his Zoom details. So he would just pass on this page link to a customer that's going into his Zoom meeting. They put their information in there with his information, and then boom, click this button and you're in the meeting with him. He has got an invite to the business, so again, I have added a video on this page. I haven't embedded the video so it plays. It is down to the user to play it, but it is there for them if they want. As this company is working under an umbrella of another company and selling just nutrition products, the main bulk of the website is to do with nutrition. However, the customer can sign people up to sell other products under the umbrella company's name. So I didn't want to cut the customer off to just one avenue of business. We've arranged like a tab system here. So we've got some information of the perks of setting up a business with us. You can learn more. That'll go to the contact page. And then all we've done here, you just click on these. Just preview it. So we just click on these and it takes you through. So we've got the nutrition products which we're selling on this site, beauty products which can be sold, skincare products which can be sold, hair and bath and body. And these links will just lead to the contact page just so you can find out more. Scrolling a little bit further down then, there are a number of ways you can earn money with this website. So I've tried to include them all, looking quite nice actually, if I do say so myself. Finally, your commission benefits. I just tried to lay this out in a different kind of way so the website wasn't repetitive. Here we got your commission benefits, and then we got some zoomable images just blacked out behind, and then again calls to action all the way through. From each page to each other page within my websites, they will be talking to each other. There'll be little links, there'll be hyperlinks, just so the pages can can communicate. I do this for two reasons. One, so the web crawlers of Google can have a look at the website and see the pages communicating. If Google sees I've linked one page to another for the web crawlers, it'll know it's done it. I've done it for Google, and it'll reward us with a higher ranking on Google. Also, if Google finds it easy to search the web using the links of the pages that are talking to each other, so will a user. Google's there for the user, so am I, and now so is this website. Then finally, we've just got the contact us page again, all your social medias, our map, and your contact form. Right, so we're going to go from the contact page to the supplement store. So at the top of the page, we've got a search bar, so they can actually search any products in the store that they want to. The supplement store is split into two. We've got the vitamins and the protein shakes on separate pages with some featured products at the bottom. So we'll click into vegan protein shakes and have a little look. Click into the product so you can see the product with the price, and we can add it to the bag. At the top here, we do have a product sheet. If we were to click on it, like this, there we are, and it brings up all the information with regards to the product. Nice and simple. We set up all the Stripe payment methods and everything for the customer. But one thing I would like to say with regards to the store, what we did is we linked the store up with the customer's Facebook page. Now, this isn't something that many companies can do for you. We can do it on a Facebook page or an Instagram business page, and it will look like this. So every product we've put in the store on the Alpha website is now displaying on Facebook. This syncs up automatically. All I have to do is get you to sign into your Facebook in the background of your own editor tool, so I don't see any of the details. And then we can just see the products are all showing there, and you can share the products from this page too. Now with this, that's everything for the website that we built for the customer. With the social media packages, all the knowledge that we have to offer comes with those. And when the website's done, you get a one-to-one training session on the editor tool, which let's jump back to. So you can see with all the widgets down the left-hand side. This is all done to truly set you up for success. The customer, we got them set up on YouTube. We told them to put all the links in. We tell you how to set up your hashtags, and we really do just try and give you all the tools we can to make sure that you can go forward on your own and make sure that you are properly set up for success, because it can get a bit overwhelming. And there are people everywhere that will try and take every penny you've got just to keep funding their business at the expense of yours, even though you are trying to create something for you and your family, and they don't really understand the responsibility that comes with that. When you go to them with a website, you're basically going to them with your dreams, and they're just trying to take all your money, and they come back to you with a mediocre website. And quite frankly, it's not good enough. One thing I do want to show you is if you have had a website built in the past, then you can be on and off the phone getting all your amends done. I'm not happy with this, I'm not happy with that, I don't like this. It can be time consuming, and often companies have to set up call centers to deal with the massive influx of people needing help. Over here, we've got things called site comments. When I'll send you a preview link like this. I'll send you a preview link and you'll be able to look at the website that I build for you. If you don't like a certain section of the website, you click on this plus, and as you can see, click anywhere on the site to add a comment. I'll click here. Can you make this more red, please? And you submit. Okay, there's a number one there. And then all you need to do is just drop me a text, drop me an email, drop me a message, whatever you want, and say there's a few site comments on there. Can you run through and get the amends done? This cuts out so much. It cuts out so much time on the phone, and you know, people may not want to say, oh, I don't like this or I don't like that, but if you're just doing it behind the screen, it comes my way, and it just resolves a lot of different things in one. I'm trying to work smart, not hard, and I'm trying to make life as easy as possible for the end user. I'm just going to resolve that comment. This is what I'll do on my end. And there we are. So thank you very much for watching this website presentation. As I said, my name's Chris. I run Alpha Grafikon. If you do want any more information on how we run the sites, then please do just drop me a message. But we are here for you, entrepreneurs. We are here for businesses that have been stung in the past by these digital agencies. And we are here to completely change the game and the way it is done. Thanks for your time, everyone. Bye now.